Good morning, everyone. Today, we are the students of Future 40 are here debating that which is more important in life, money or time. I am in the favor that time is more important and valuable. This is so because time is a very precious, and if time is gone, then it will never come back.
So, hello everyone, I am Bhumika Bohra, and today in this debate topic, I am in the favor of money. So, Riddhi, you are very right regarding the thing you said that time can never come back if it's gone. But we can earn money with the money we have already earned, but we cannot earn time that we have earned. So, we can say that money can be earned back again, but time can't be. So, that says that money is more important.
With the point, I would like to continue that this makes time more valuable. If it is not earned back, then the past time is a very important thing in our life. If we wasted our past, then it will never come back. And that's what makes time more valuable and irreversible.
This point can also be implied on money that if money is not used properly, it might not come back. And at the same time, I would like to add a point that time cannot buy us happiness, nor can money buy us happiness. What can buy us happiness is right decision making, and that comes from using the money rightly. If we use money rightly to buy things that comfort us, our basic necessities, then it provides us and our family immense proud and immense happiness.
Money can buy us everything, but not time. Time cannot be bought, and if spent, then cannot be utilized again. And we can earn money if we have a lot of time with us. But if we don't have time and we are left out of time, there's no way of gathering money.
Through hard work and determination, we earn money. So this provides very good qualities into our character. And at the same time, I agree that money can't buy us time, but money can buy us other people's services and their time. For example, if you are a poor person and you want to go to a high class doctor for their services, he won't be ready to come to you because you don't have money. But at the same time, if you have money, if you have put the good qualities into a character and earned money, and you use the same to the for the doctor, he would certainly come running to you to provide you services. So this shows that money also provides us good qualities and at the same time good services.
For earning money, we have to spend time because it takes a lot of time for us. So for until we take some time and build these qualities inside us.
So time might be a factor to earn money. I agree with that. But then money is what makes us happy at the end of the day. Time might help us to buy happiness, or maybe not buy happiness, but money at the end of the day can provide us comfort, which time cannot. Time can provide us very harsh times because time can be good or bad, but money is not like that. If you have money, if you have those good qualities you earn through money, you are going through a nice time.
Once a famous American entrepreneur and an acclaimed motivational speaker said that you can get more time, you can get more money, but not more time. So that's why time is more precious than money. And if we have time with us, we can earn a lot of money. But if we don't have time, we cannot utilize the money we have.
So, to prove my point, I would like to add another point that is the so called paper notes that we have a picture of a great personality. Do you know his name? Who is it? So Mahatma Gandhi is a person who is known for his non-violent and his very calm and patient character. So through our hard work and determination, when we earn money, we get that note of that personality, Mahatma Gandhi. We at the same time also get those moral lessons from us. So that means that money can also provide us moral lessons in our life.
Let me take the example of Mahatma Gandhi only. Mahatma Gandhi took his time to prove himself so that he is capable of this opportunity to be on money or to be on notes. So that's why it takes it. Everyone takes some time to prove themselves, or it is available, or it is in the case of money too.
So you directly mean that time can be used to earn money, time can be used to prove ourselves, but time can also be used to recognize ourselves through that money. You said Mahatma Gandhi used time to prove himself. So we can say that through money, that Mahatma Gandhi picture, that Mahatma Gandhi's personality on that note also teaches us the value of time. So we can say that Mahatma Gandhi or money that we have is also teacher of time. So what? So who is the more greater person in position, teacher or student? So teacher, our Mahatma Gandhi ji is teaching us the value of time, which is money. So money is teaching us the importance of time.
It is a very good point that time is money. But what it actually means that if we save time, it is equal to saving money. So when we save our time or when we do not waste our time, we save money because time is a very precious thing in our life and time can buy us lost relationships. It can give us time to get over the things and also money cannot do the same thing like time.
You can't keep on going to continue with the point that time is a precious thing. I believe time is really precious, but if we have time, if we have used time preciously, like you said, and not wasted it, we have money, and with that money, we keep on investing it in a nice position, and we can earn more money. With that money, we can provide ourselves some time, and providing ourselves some time, we can improve ourselves and our own personality. So what it means is that money can be used to get time for ourselves, and time can be used to improve ourselves. So indirectly says that money is the most important factor in improving ourselves as well.
Not everyone holds a lot amount of money to improve themselves or to prove themselves, but if a poor person takes his time and does hard work and be determined on his goal, then he can achieve money or his goal. So it concludes that time it everyone takes their time to earn money.
So she said that we do not have money. Not everyone has equal amount of money. So like I said in the starting, hard work and determination is the key to earn money. Those who earn money means they are capable of earning money. They are capable of keeping that money. And by money, I don't mean that corrupt black money. I mean the money that we earn through hard work. So if you have earned that money, even if you are not very rich, even if you have little amount of money, you still make yourself feel better about yourself, and that is a huge personality development according to me.
So time can also be seen as in other factors like it is not always that if we have money then only we can improve ourselves. Like nowadays you have seen that students who don't have money uh, are not capable of taking admissions in good schools, which uh, so then they have to study in government schools. So that's why if they give themselves time and they study according to themselves by taking their time and by doing hard work, then they can be capable of earning money.
You are totally right. But do you know how can one get education? Through money. How can one get clothes and shelter? Through money. How can one get food to eat? Money. You might be right that time might provide us some personality development. But if you have hard work, like you said, people go to government school. If they keep on working hard, if they keep on continuing to show the determination, they can easily earn money through any means, not the corrupt ones. They can earn money through any means, and certainly get into nice schools if they try their level best.
If they try, means if they take their time. Not everyone has the equal amount of money, as I said earlier. So if they take their time or if they give time for trying themselves and for pursuing their hard work, then only they can be able to achieve a good amount of money for for taking admissions in good schools. Not before that.
This is the point where you're coming back. I already told about it that time is an important factor for money. But after that, money is what makes us improve our personality, improve our thinking, improve our living sense, and improving our moral lessons. So this means that time might be a helper of money, but at the end, money is what makes us a human. Money is what makes us a great and wise human.
Now, I conclude with the point that both are equally important. That's why there's an old saying that time is money. If we save our time, it is equal to saving money. So that's why we should work on both. We should take our time and understand about both the things. Thank you.
So I would like to conclude by saying that, like Riddhi said, time and money are both important, but time is a stepping stone to earn money, and then money is our success. Money is what helps us to improve our body language, improve our personality, improve our moral lessons, and at the same time improve our own soul. So thank you. Have a nice day.